Snaketrace Solar SnakeMax XL. Typical spacing between piles is 20 to 25 feet. Assemble the anchor with guy wire, dead end, eye bolt, and thimble. U-brackets attached to the piling with 2 bolts. Recommended height to attach the U-bracket to the piling is 30 inches from the bottom of the ground. Attach messenger wire to U-bracket with U-bolts and nuts. Tension the messenger wire. To maintain clearance for vegetation control, the conveyance should be 30 inches above the ground. Bridles quickly snap over messenger wire and are spaced 4.5 feet apart for cables size 350 to 1250 kc mil. Once bridles are in place, snap in Solar SnakeMax bottom clicks, lay in the cables, and snap in the top clicks. Cable separation allows cables to operate more efficiently to yield up to 30 watt-hours per meter more energy than buried or bundled cables. Open-air design requires no derating of cables. Can be installed in any vertical piling or pole, install in any elevation or terrain. Messenger or hard rail systems are available.